pujaris of Nathuram Godse have again killed Mahatma Gandhi by repealing the MG Nrega Act and bringing in a fresh act in the name of V.B. Jiramji. On 30th of January 1948 in Delhi, these RSS Vichardhara people killed Mahatma Gandhi, and in this parliament session, by repealing Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, they have again killed Mahatma Gandhi in Delhi. We are not at all perturbed by the renaming of this act, because Gandhiji lives in the heart of the common people. They can never ever evade Gandhiji from our hearts. But we are concerned because by this act, being a new legislation, they have snatched the right of the MG Nrega workers. The demand that is to be made by the workers कि हमको काम चाहिए, that have been snatched away by these RSS Vichardhara people, the BJP. For an eyewash, they have started saying हमने 125 दिन 100 से 125 दिन का काम किया. Can I not ask them humbly, why have you decreased the allocation of the central government fund to the tune of 60%? Most of the states have to bear the extra burden of 40% of the money of the MG Nrega, which earlier in the MG Nrega Act, it was 90% by the central government, 10% by the state government. Obviously, it is an additional burden upon the states. Now, कटौती कहाँ पे होगा? कटौती नंबर ऑफ डेज पे होगा. कांग्रेस का मांग क्या था? 200 दिन का काम और मिनिमम वेजेस 500 रुपये बढ़ाने के लिए. लेकिन वो लोग तो आइन को ही खत्म कर दिया और नया आइन लाया वीबी जीरामजी. By this, they have snatched the right of the laborers and workers, और इससे ग्रामीण जो अर्थव्यवस्था ये चूरमार हो जाएगी. It will be completely finished. The economy of the Gramin Ilaka will be completely finished. So we are opposing this Naya bill and we are taking to the streets across the nation.
Prangnam Ada Raju.
Salam nono riba.
Tarode namin sulinga ma.
Namen sulinga ba?
Angna jani resun ko nat kubo.
Monat ken.
Ada. Era meta ko merong sa.
No. Yade plus F ni nisan tunggu pa. 45 merong sa.
45 tunggu pa merong? Hindi pa ada. 45 merong aro ramram man ko pa merong ra dengdang ma. Nara phangna ramram man ko pa merong khosa phala chimba.
No. Anching salgum ko je ko ba chaya. Anching ni anching baljo kanisa pangchaka. Dau wian iran dake. Maya gemak chi anching ara. Thik somai kata maninga ma. Thik somai kata manjagen chim ode. Anemia. Mani de an sibil griani. Night blindness. Andaken walo nagna man gijak pa sabi sirang na ba donga.
Ada ya gemakara 45 merong baksara may baktong para.
Rani khangani donga no. Anchingni salan thiu cha ani o. Pena banga nam kani rang ko. Jekai iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A aru D managta amja. Jeni gamanan dakba sabisi ungna ba donga. Sorkari ansing baljokani ko rai makrakata. Tao FSSAI on ani kita merong ata khari dud aro mungsongpa thorango. Beena namgunirangko daude chimunge paskageno. Jechin naa salgamako plachiba 10% beena singbaljokani ko manangen. Yakona gana 45 ko chaimung masibo. Yakon sing altua en plus F ni nisan ko nkemuna masyayen.
Hindi ba ada? Plus 8 tunggu bereson, cengara bau ni kau mangen.
No, yano. Uni kemanan sorkari o रेशन स्कीम रंगो जेखाय ICDS, MDM, PDS मक्सोंगानी दे यारंगो पांचाकानी जेचिन मंगसा सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड राइस स्कीम नि मनानिकता फोर्टिफाइड राइस पिसा ओकोदोंगबा मागपारां बांचिनि बेना नामगनि रांनि गमन रेस्टोनि दखानो मानानि रांगता नासमां गमक नान सोकातांगिया तालोनि नासमाकना आरो आनसिं साकान्थिनि नोक्तां रांना मांमां फोर्टिफाइड मेरं
카타데 낭닌 카게 동아하다.
Yakho Uwyatengpa, Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.